In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prevent spam form submissions in HubSpot. Spam can creep into your CRM through open forms. So the goal here is to harden a specific form using built-in settings without adding complexity for real visitors. I'll walk you through the exact path in the HubSpot interface and explain what each action does so you know why it matters. Start by opening your HubSpot portal and heading to the trial guide. This takes you to a guided area of the app where you can quickly access key tools. Once you're there, look for the More menu. Click it to expand additional product areas that aren't immediately visible on the main screen. From the expanded list, choose Marketing. That will switch your workspace to the tools that control lead capture and engagement. In the Marketing section, find Forms and click it. Forms is your central hub for building, managing, and protecting any form that appears on your pages. On the Forms dashboard, select the specific form you want to edit. Pick the one that's receiving suspicious entries or that you want to safeguard before publishing widely. Clicking the form opens the editor so you can adjust behavior without rebuilding anything from scratch. Inside the editor, go to Settings. This tab controls what happens when someone interacts with your form, and it's where most anti-spam measures are configured. Next, open Submission Settings. Think of this as the form's gatekeeper. It's where you refine how submissions are handled to reduce automated or repeated posts. Click the Add button within Submission Settings. You're adding a control that tightens how the form behaves at the moment of submission. Then, choose Edit field. In the options that appear, look for the toggle or control labeled Hide Form button. Enabling this prevents the Submit button from remaining active after a user clicks it, which stops rapid, repeated clicks that bots and bad actors often use to flood your database. It also helps reduce accidental duplicate submissions from real visitors on slow connections. After enabling it, click Highlight. This confirms the change in the editor and makes it easy to visually verify the adjustment before you move on. If your interface autosaves, you'll see the update reflected right away. If a save option appears, be sure to commit your changes so they apply to the live form. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. Test the form in a private window to confirm the button behavior feels smooth for legitimate users, and keep an eye on your submissions over the next few days. You should notice fewer rapid-fire entries and cleaner lead quality. That's it. Your form is now better protected against spam without adding friction for real people.